fifth graders, this is lesson 25, and the first section is word problem, how to divide, and it's going to go over dividing money amounts, and we're going to do number 1 together. So number 1, it says it costs $60 to buy 6 movie posters. If the posters all have the same price, how much does it cost to buy 1 poster? So if 6 posters cost $60, then how much would 1 poster cost? And the first step you should be doing is dividing 60 by 6 to get the cost of 1, which we know that as 10. So each poster costs $10. And that makes sense because if we had $10 6 times to represent each poster, it would add up to 60. Next section is unit prices. Answer, if needed, round to the hundredths place. So number 1, we're going to go over number 1 and then number 6 together. So number 1 says a 2-pack of wooden boxes costs $2.38. What is the unit price? So unit price refers to the price of one of these. Price of one thing. So we know 2-pack of that costs $2.38, so now we have to find how much would 1 pack of wooden boxes cost. And we would take $2.38 and divide it by the amount it started with, which is 2. And we're going to do $2.38 divided by 2. Bring that to 3, and then if you need a review on how to divide decimals by whole number, you can look at the previous lessons. And then we should get $1.19. And that is for 1 pack of wooden boxes. So this is the unit price. Now we're going to go over number 6, which is a little bit more different. It says which is the better price, which is the better buy, meaning it needs to be less expensive. Now, a 2-pack of golf balls for $4.32, 8-pack of golf balls for $16.72. You can't just look at the total price and say A is a better choice. You have to look at the unit price, the cost of each pack of golf balls. So now we're going to do A. We're going to find the unit price of that. So we're just going to do $4.32 divided by 2. You should get $2.16. Now we're going to do 16.72 divided by 8 to get the unit price for B. You should get $2.09. Now from here, we're going to see which one's less expensive. $2.09 is it's less expensive. So pack B is a better price. So you can't just determine it based on $4.32 and $16.72. Because the unit price really tells you which one is a better buy. Now let's get the third section, which is increasing number sequence. Fill in the blank by writing the next number in the sequence. So this is just pattern. We're going to go over number 1, and I think I'm just going to go over number 1 since sequences are pretty easy. So since they're increasing 1, 3, 7, 13, 21, 31, 43, blank. So first step I always do is find the difference between each number. There's a difference of plus 2. They added plus 2. Now there is a difference of plus 4. Now let's get 13 minus 7. You should get a difference of plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. Now we can see it increases plus 2, and then the next number plus 6, and then plus 8, and then plus 10. And then the next number here was plus 12. So that means you can assume the next one will be plus 14. So we're going to do 43 plus 14 to get the next number. So you should get 57 for number 1. Now the last section, geometric number sequence, fill in the blank with the missing number in the sequence. So the previous one was increasing. This is geometric, and geometric's a bit differently because this deals with multiplications, unlike the other one which was dealing with addition. So now let's look at the multiplication. This was times by 5 to get from 5 to 25. 625 times 3,125. If you do 625 times 5, you should get 3,125, which proves that it's times 5. And we're going to do 3,125 by 5. $15,625. So it multiplies by 5 each time. So we just got to do 25 times 5 in order to get the next number. Or to get the missing number. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, which is 12. So the answer for number 1 should be 125. And that's it for today.